Hi, this is Anna S. and reporting from my off-grid home. Anyway, a couple of days ago I found this American redstart bird's nest on the ground. It blew out of the tree after that windstorm we had. And I wanted just to show you how amazingly resourceful and innovative these birds are. So here's the nest. Don't mind my finger, I strained a ligament. Look at that. That's plastic. Plastic and pieces from tarp, the green stuff. Look at that, if that's not a beautiful piece of artwork. Nature prevails where man fails. Congratulations, birds. You've done well. That's a keeper nest right there. Thanks for watching. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.